Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to check out how to use LendingClub's LevelUp Check-ins for everyday spending. LendingClub's LevelUp Check-in isn't just a regular checking account. It's designed to reward you everyday spending. Here's how you can use it smartly. The first step is to get your debit card. Now, once your account is open, you're going to receive a LendingClub debit card in the mail. Activate it through the app, or you can do so through the website. Next step is to use it for everyday purchases. Grocery shopping, gas, online payments, dining out, anywhere Visa is accepted, every purchase counts towards rewards. Next is to earn cashback automatically. LevelUp Checking offers 1% cashback on qualified purchases made with your debit card. No need to sign up or activate offers, just swipe, tap, or use online. Next step is to stay on top of spendings. Track transactions in the LendingClub app in real time and categorize your purchases to see exactly where your money is going. Fifth and final step is to maximize rewards. You can use your LendingClub card instead of credit cards when possible to take advantage of the cashback with no interest charges. Pair with a savings account by moving cashbacks directly into savings. With LevelUp Checking, your everyday spending turns into extra rewards. In the next video, we're going to look at how to open and manage a LendingClub savings account to make your money grow. But that's pretty much it for this one, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.